Oh my gosh, I really like it. This set fits so freaking well. But for someone who doesn't really have any tits, this is pretty nice. Good morning, beautiful rays of sunshine. It's your girl Alex, and today I've got a clothing haul for you. Yes, very exciting. It's my first one, and I'm so stoked about it because I saw this brand on Instagram quite a lot, and the girls looked pretty dang good in them. So I reached out and they sent me a gifted bag, which was so nice. So, as you can see, I already kind of peeked inside. So we're gonna open it up and try on some of these pieces. I will have all my sizes below. I normally take a small on the tops and a small or medium in the pants. But lately, it's been getting more medium with these booty gains, so very excited about it. But all the colors in the tops that I really wanted were either sold out or just an extra small. So all the tops today will be extra small because I still really wanted the crop, but we're just gonna have to squeeze the babies in. Our first set is in the pastel pink, and I freaking love this color. Oh, it's so cute. These are the women's XL shorts, and these will be in medium, I think I got. Yeah, the shorts are in medium. Pretty stretchy, but a lot of compression going on, which is never a bad thing. A super high waistband. It does have the seam at the top of the waistband, which I don't mind if done well, but sometimes it can give you that little, like that muffin top, but we're gonna have to try them on. So to match it, I also got the XL crop top in pastel pink. And ooh, it's gonna look so good. This is the little Do You Even detailing here at the back. Adorable. There's no wire, but it gives you that little underbust design. I think that's gonna make them look good. I've never had a really metal clasp like this, so we're gonna see how comfy it is. The softness of the shorts I really like. I really like how high they go, and yet they still go pretty far down on the leg. The color is amazing. The only downside that I see with these shorts is that because they are a medium, they seem a little bit, just a little bit too big. There is a bit of extra fabric at the back here that probably wouldn't be there with a small. Even though there is a seam right at the top of the waistband, it's not crazy cutting in and causing any kind of muffin top, which I can appreciate a lot. But that might be because it is a medium. In regards to the top, I would size up. As much as I like the secureness of the extra small, it is kind of making me overflow on the chest. But for someone who doesn't really have any tits, this is pretty nice. I kind of like the overflowing to a point, but I think if they did have the smalls available, I would grab a small in the top and the bottom. They just weren't available because Do You Even sold out so fast. And am I surprised? Nope. No way. The back though. Woohoo! Get out of here, tag. It's really freaking cute. I don't actually even feel the metal clasp because they do have that little piece of fabric behind it. I really like this set. The color, everything. Yep. Big fan. Big fan. Our next set is another XL set, but in Tangerine orange. I saw this on Instagram, and this is what made me reach out to Do You Even. This color! Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. So we have the leggings in medium and the XL crop in extra small. Will these fit? They look pretty big for medium. I'm a little nervous. I might have gotten a small, but we shall see. Again, the waistband has that little seam along the top. We shall see how it looks. They feel stretchy as heck though. Ooh, I can't wait to try these on. And the matching XL crop top in extra small sherbet orange is the exact same one we had on. I liked it so much online that I was like, yeah, let's get two. Why not? The color is freaking phenomenal. Oh my gosh. I really like it. The pants are a perfect length. It makes it all the way down to my ankle. They're so freaking soft, but yet a little bit of compression all the way down, except because they are medium, there's just a lot of extra fabric right here. Can definitely go in a full size around the waist. If you're in between a small and medium like I am, I would say size down. The back again is so amazing. I really like it. It's a really structured, really like secure bra, and it is so soft. So the third set, I got our Impact Seamless Leggings in cool gray. They look tiny. Why do they look so small? Of course, they've got like the baboon butt design. I've never had one of these leggings with the really intense outline, but I'm so excited. They make your legs look so good. It's really interesting that there's a different material for the outline than there is on the inside. It's a lot more stretchy. These guys are 62% nylon, 35% polyester, and 5% spandex. Ooh! The pants are also in a medium. I'm so excited. I hope they fit. I got the Impact Seamless Crop Top, also in cool gray, of course. It's an extra small. It's got a lot less structure than the other tops, which might be a lot more comfortable. This set fits so freaking well. I do have a size medium in the pants, but yet they are clinging on and fitting in all the right spots. They feel fantastic. I would not size down to a small. I would definitely keep with the medium. The waistband doesn't have the seam at the top. It has a tight seam all the way across, and you can feel it. It is super comfy. These are not going anywhere. I really like the compression. It just looks really good. The top feels a lot different from the other two. The first two were very supportive, a lot of structure, really thick bands. This is less supportive, more for like a leg day, less cardio. The back is open, super cute. This set, surprisingly, might be my favorite. And last but not least, we have the Freedom Crop Sweater in taupe brown. I really like the crop length and the color. So fall. I like it a lot. Alright, let's put it on top of a set. This crop is going to be freaking fantastic for the gym. It's super light, which means I'm not gonna sweat my tits off at the gym. The crop is perfect. I really like it. It's got the little Do You Even here, little symbol at the chest. I am a big old fan. Yeah, I really like how light that is. Amazing.
Let me get a close up.
You can see him.
Yeah. Looking good though.
So we're gonna go without underwear. How's that? Oh, that is so much better. Still a little loose, but let's go.
Woo.
Karen and I are gonna go to the gym and test out our new sets. I will be in the Excel set and Karen is in the Seamless. And we're gonna see how they perform in an intense, crazy hard cardio day. Thank you, Karen, for this workout.
R.I.P.
For you there. It's a little awkward filming other people in the gym, so we're gonna set up in here. And we've got a bunch of stations, 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and we're gonna fucking die. So we got pretty sweaty, but I don't see any sweat marks on either of us. That set looks so good on you.
Thank you.
It looks fire. Was yours comfy?
Yeah.
These were super comfy. It was just a little loose around my waist, but a small would fix that. All right, we're gonna go in the sauna and test really how these hold up against sweat. It's gonna be sweaty. As you can tell by my color, I just stepped out of the steam room. There is no sweat marks on this outfit. I was dying. Like, no sweat marks. That's impressive. That's really impressive. Because we were dripping sweat. Karen is still in there. I don't know how she does it. I look like I'm dying. Welcome back. You were so sweaty. There's no sweat on you.
What?
What the hell?
Oh my god.
How?
Maybe, no, actually there's nothing.
That's just the outline of it.
Wow.
Shit. Alright, I give it a 10 out of 10. If it was the right sizing, it would be perfect. I am back at home. I've showered, relaxed, filled my belly protein, and I just gotta say, I am so freaking impressed with how sweatproof those sets were today. They looked really cute. The gray seamless is definitely my favorite, with just the fit and how it makes your body look. Woo! But the colors of the pink and the sherbet are just insane. Very impressed. Thank you so much to you even for sending me these sets. I really enjoyed it, and I really want to make more. So let me know if there are any companies that you would like me to try on a bunch of their clothing, put it to the test at the gym, and then tell you about. If you aren't already following me, hit the subscribe button down below. And if you already are and know what I'm about, usually it's modeling videos, then don't you worry, my next video will be all about modeling, and that's coming to you real soon. So I will see you then. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye!